is Stephanie Carroll, and you are watching Breaking News with EMNP. We are so sorry to interrupt your regularly scheduled programming. We have just learned that the pickle killer, aka the Pickler, aka the pickle nabber, aka Pickles, nom nom, has been apprehended by authorities. Stephanie O'Carroll is on the scene with Police Chief Rodriguez with the story. Thank you, Stephanie. I'm Stephanie O'Carroll, and I'm here with Police Chief Rodriguez. Chief, can you please tell us what happened?
Officers arrived on scene after a reported sighting of a strange character with an innocent pickle, and when we attempted to make contact, the suspect ran. Suspect was a 12-inch to 16-inch red-headed doll, approximately 5 pounds in weight. Officer Bear pursued on foot. He was able to make a flying tackle and take the pickler down. Suspect sustained some facial injuries upon impact, but was treated. He is now awaiting charges.
And can you tell us anything about the victim?
Victim was a Mr. Pickle. Victim was notably distressed, but did not sustain any injuries, and is now safe at home with Rick and others at the Extreme Metal and Paint shop.
Thank you, Chief Rodriguez. This has been Stephanie O'Carroll with EMNP Breaking News. Stephanie Carroll, back to you. Wow, that was one extreme takedown and one very lucky, albeit crispy, pickle. This has been Stephanie Carroll with EMNP Breaking News. And now, back to your regularly scheduled programming.